And yeah, it's an important day. Make sure you get out there and vote, and you have no excuse weather-wise because the weather has been cooperating so far so good. And if not, later on with some of the storms that develop, just keep your umbrella close by and you'll be fine. Where we are a little bit concerned and what we're going to be watching over the next few days are these two tropical waves, especially the one that's out and near the central Atlantic. Now, the one that's here near the Lesser Antilles, that has a medium potential of development over the next 5 days as it moves westward into the Caribbean. The one that's over in the Atlantic, that has a high potential of becoming our next depression as it moves west-northwestward and heads towards the Windward Islands or near there as we get into the weekend time frame, possibly late Friday into Saturday. So really everyone living here along the Lesser Antilles and into Puerto Rico and also Hispaniola, Cuba, the Bahamas, and even here in South Florida, really needing to remain vigilant, alert, and monitoring the progress of the system, because as of now, many of the models are steering in that general direction towards the west-northwest, although some outliers keeping a little bit more to the south. But we'll see the potential for this to be near or over parts of the Windward Islands as we head into the weekend, possibly Puerto Rico or near there, or Hispaniola. Some of the models taking it towards the Bahamas, some towards us, some towards Cuba. A lot of uncertainty, still too soon to say, but we're certainly going to keep you updated. Right now, the weather is looking pretty quiet on the satellite and radar, and Broward County looking fabulous as we look at Fort Lauderdale. Blue skies, and the same goes from our Windjammer Resort camera, Lauderdale by the sea. And the radar again is quiet, but just a few storms near Key West, north of Key West. The breeze is mainly out of the east, 6 to 12 miles an hour, and temperatures on the rise, upper 80s and low 90s. And wow, 95 in Weston. It is already sizzling out there, and it feels like the hundreds in Fort Lauderdale, Homestead, and down through the Keys. And we're going to continue to see those temperatures climb. So 94, even 95 for some areas. So we could see some record heat today. Afternoon storms developing as the future radar is showing us as we head into around 1, 2 p.m. There could be a few heavy downpours, and into the evening, notice how those storms develop over the Everglades, and then they could be spreading eastward depending on if they hold their act together. For boaters, no advisories, no problems. Wind southeast 5 to 10 knots, and tonight spotty storms, warm and muggy, 80 degrees. The rain chance increasing likely tomorrow and Thursday. And then as we get into Friday and the weekend, more of an ocean breeze and highs right around 90 degrees.